morning, everyone. I've just arrived in Goa, and I think I've developed a special ability that I can sleep anywhere. I'm gonna call it sleep anywhere power, or कहीं पर भी सोने की ninja technique. I'm going to my hostel right now, and apparently they do free accommodation for up to 5 days if you volunteer for work. So let's check out what's the deal, and yeah, explore Goa. No name hostel?
Van.
Yeah. How'd you recognize me?
Because you sent me a request.
Yeah.
You can keep your bag.
Okay.
So first of all, here our garden start. We are working more on our garden. We are trying till December that 50% of food which are we using eating can be taken from our garden only.
Okay.
So we are focusing a lot on our garden, and it's completely organic.
Yeah.
So we have lady fingers here, neem, papaya trees, marigold.
Yeah.
This is our reception.
Okay.
This is our chilling area. This is our juice bar.
Okay, nice.
This is our juice bar menu.
Yeah.
So we have all the vegan drinks as well.
Okay.
And some shake. And kombucha.
Yeah.
It is
What's-
a fermented drink, which is good for stomach also, and it's a little fizzy, tangy flavor. It's very nice actually.
Okay.
You should try this one.
Sure.
This is our clay oven. We bake
Oh.
our own breads also. We cook some bruschettas, pizzas, and cakes also.
Nice.
Yeah. This is our kitchen. I'll show you it from the front. This is our washing area.
Okay.
This is for dishwashing. This is for clothes washing.
Yeah.
This is an open shower. This is built here only by clay and beer bottles.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we collected all the beer bottles from the village
Nice.
and used it for building something. Here you can see Chinese spinach, Thai ginger, turmeric. This is our papaya and pineapple garden.
Okay.
These all are papayas. You can see pineapple down.
Yeah.
And you can see we have hanged these red bottles for the monkeys
Oh.
because they like papaya a lot. Whenever they are growing, they cut half of it, but these papayas are so amazing.
So if there are red bottles, they don't come here.
Like the villagers say they are a little afraid of it. So
Okay.
they come till here, but they don't come down.
Okay.
From last 7 days, it's working.
Nice.
And this is about our waste policy. We are segregating our waste into 3 parts. That is organic, plastic and metal. So all the green bins you see in the hostel are for organic. We are from organic, we are making compost.
Yeah.
All the yellow bins you are seeing in the hostel are for plastic. All the red are for metals.
Okay.
We are running a community here called Home Collective.
Okay.
And if you are like we are making a community for the travelers.
Yeah.
And it's more like this place is not more like a hostel, it's more like a home.
Okay.
Because we 10 people who are working, or you can say doing some stuff here.
Yeah.
We are living here actually.
Yeah.
And there is no paid staff here.
Yeah.
Everyone is working for their own will, what they really want to do in their life.
Okay.
So yeah, that's a brief introduction about the place. Rest you will get to know whenever you are walking around, meeting some people, you will
Yeah.
get to know everything.
Okay. So this is where I'm gonna sleep. That's my bed. And also, apparently, you can drink from any tap here. The water is completely pure. So if I just want to go ahead and drink this, it's completely fine. Amazing place so far. I love it. Okay, so it's time to do karma yoga. And how do you do it?
We're having like this different tasks.
Yeah.
It's a collective task.
Yeah.
Okay. So every task having a different drink.
Okay.
So each drink having a number. So I decide how many people are there in the stage.
Yeah.
So we do collectively free stay and volunteers. So I put the task rings inside this pot, and one by one they come and they take it. So guys, we having today 2 tasks only. That is, one is common area and second is laundry. In common area we have to clean and clear this area, and outside if you see any trash, and also the dustbin which are outside. This one in the balconies, wherever you will see, in Tim's balcony, there also. Okay, so you have to clear it and clean it in the washing area side. And second is laundry. So we having some yoga mat today for wiping. Like I will provide you cloth for wiping. Then it's done, because we have done something around 8 to 10 yoga mats. We have to clean it that only. These 2 tasks are there. You can start, 3 of you are left because they already picked.
Okay.
You can pick one by one. What you got?
I don't know.
It's in
4,
your
4,
hands.
okay.
4.
I got the common area.
Common area.
और बता फिर कुछ कहानियां एमिटी फैमिली की.
क्या कर रहे हो?
So basically what we do, we tie a rope around this bottle.
Okay.
Put some kind of fluid on top of the rope. Burn that rope, and that creates a heat around the bottle. And then we put the bottle in ice cold water.
Yeah.
It just cracks like this. Yeah. And be careful, don't put your finger where you don't have sandpaper, and don't slide it on the glass.
Okay. That's how you do it. So what I was saying, that I can basically sleep anywhere. I've slept in a truck with 2 other guys. I slept in buses with my shoes on always, and I've slept in a train on the top berth with my bags. I just hugged them and I just slept so that nobody could steal anything from it. So yeah, that's a good skill to have. You should always practice sleeping at different places, so get used to it. Helps you while you travel. A little tip, travel tip. So I'm at this beach right now. I came here with Sarah. She's just swimming over there. We met at the hostel, and look at this beach, just empty and peaceful. This is the dream. So happy right now. Just love it. So yeah, had a really great swim at the beach. This is Sarah.
Hello.
She's gonna be a yoga instructor, and maybe I can come back and learn yoga from her. And you can also come and learn from her.
We're gonna do some yoga on the Kirin Beach.
Yeah. Okay,
Beautiful
so
beach in Goa.
yeah, it's very peaceful over here. Not much crowd, and yeah, you can just chill, relax, have a great swim. That's all.
What else do we need?
What else do we need? So okay, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Like my video if you liked it, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.